Delaney here from Toyota Northwest Edmonton. I'm here to show you how to charge your Toyota plug-in hybrid. First step, make sure the vehicle is unlocked. Next, open the charging compartment located on the side of the vehicle. There's a little hook on the side of the door where you can rest your cap. Next, plug in your charger until it clicks into place and the green indicator will let you know the vehicle is charging. You can always lock your vehicle if you plan on leaving it unattended to prevent the charger from being removed. There are 2 levels of charging available for Toyota plug-ins. One is a standard 120-volt plug-in that comes standard with all Toyota plug-in models. This will fully charge the vehicle in about 5.5 hours. The second option is an upgraded 240-volt plug-in, which requires special installation and will have the vehicle fully charged in as little as 2 hours. On a full charge, you will get an EV range up to 68 kilometers. Inside your vehicle's infotainment screen, you can go into your vehicle's information section. In the energy flow screen, the diagram will show the vehicle is charging, and here you can also set up a charging schedule. Press Add, and here you can set your start and end time. This schedule can also be set up through the Toyota Connected Service app. Have any more questions? Check out our other how-tos or give us a call.